Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the cosmos, embarking on a journey to explore the top 10 most mysterious planets ever discovered. Buckle up, space explorers, as we venture beyond the familiar neon glow of our cyberpunk cities and into the infinite expanse where the universe unfolds in all its glory. Prepare to have your minds blown wide open. The universe, as we're always discovering, is a place of unimaginable wonders. We've only just begun to scratch the surface of what's out there. Each new world we find is a testament to the boundless creativity of the cosmos. Get ready to be amazed by the sheer strangeness and beauty of these celestial objects, each one a testament to the universe's boundless capacity for surprise and awe. Our first stop takes us light years away to Kepler 452b, a planet often dubbed Earth's older cousin. Imagine a world remarkably similar to our own, orbiting a star much like our Sun. Kepler 452b resides in the habitable zone, that sweet spot where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on the surface. And where there's water, well, you know what they say, there might be life. Now, before you get carried away with visions of alien civilizations, remember that life can take many forms. We're talking about the possibility of microbial life perhaps, or something even stranger. Kepler 452b is about 60% larger than Earth and orbits its star slightly farther out than we orbit our Sun. Fasten your seatbelts, space travelers, because our next destination is not for the faint of heart. We're hurtling towards HD 189733b, a planet that makes even the most extreme weather on Earth look like a gentle breeze. Imagine a world cloaked in a deep, mesmerizing blue, a hue that hints at its turbulent nature. HD 189733b is what astronomers call a hot Jupiter, a gas giant that hugs its star so closely that temperatures soar to a mind-boggling 1,600 degrees Fahrenheit. But that's just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. The winds on this planet are something out of a nightmare, whipping around at speeds of 5,400 miles per hour. And if that wasn't enough, get this, it rains glass, sideways. Our cosmic voyage now takes us to a star system tantalizingly close to our own, Gliese 581, a red dwarf star just 20 light-years away. Orbiting this star is a planet that has sparked intense debate among astronomers, Gliese 581g. This rocky world, slightly larger than Earth, finds itself precariously balanced on the edge of its star's habitable zone. Some scientists believe that Gliese 581g could harbor conditions suitable for life, while others remain skeptical. Imagine a world perpetually locked in a gravitational dance with its star, one side bathed in eternal daylight, the other shrouded in perpetual darkness. The Terminator, the line between day and night, would be a place of stark contrasts, where scorching deserts meet frozen wastelands. If life does exist on Gliese 581g, it would have to be incredibly resilient, adapted to these extreme conditions. Hold on tight, space explorers, because we're about to witness a cosmic tragedy in action. Our next stop is WASP-12b, a planet that's literally being eaten alive by its star. This unfortunate gas giant, about 1.4 times the mass of Jupiter, is spiraling closer and closer to its doom, its atmosphere being ripped away by the relentless gravitational pull of its parent star. Imagine a world so hot that its atmosphere is puffed up to 7 times the radius of Jupiter, resembling a giant cosmic balloon about to burst. The temperatures on WASP-12b are staggering, over 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit. As this doomed planet circles its star in a death spiral, its atmosphere is being stretched and distorted into a teardrop shape, leaving a trail of superheated gas in its wake. Prepare to be awestruck, fellow space enthusiasts, as we journey to Kepler 22b, a planet that has captured the imagination of scientists and dreamers alike. This super-Earth, about 2.4 times the size of our planet, resides comfortably within the habitable zone of its star, raising hopes that liquid water and perhaps life could exist on its surface. Imagine a world covered in vast shimmering oceans, their depths teeming with alien creatures. The sky above Kepler 22b would be a different hue than ours, as its star is slightly cooler and redder than our Sun. But here's the catch. We don't yet know the composition of Kepler 22b's atmosphere. Is it a thick, steamy blanket like Venus, or a more hospitable environment like Earth? Only time and further observations will tell. Get ready to be blinded by the brilliance of our next destination, 55 Cancri E, a planet that puts even the most extravagant jewelry collections to shame. This super-Earth, about twice the size of our planet, is thought to be composed largely of pure crystallized carbon. Now, imagine the pressure deep within this planet. The carbon atoms wouldn't just bond to form coal or even diamonds, they'd create a substance far more exotic, a super-dense form of diamond that would make the Hope Diamond look like a speck of dust. 55 Cancri E races around its star at an astonishing speed, completing an orbit in just 18 hours. This means that a year on this planet is shorter than a day on Earth. The temperatures on 55 Cancri E are equally extreme, reaching a scorching 3,900 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare to enter a realm of eternal night as we journey to Tres 2b, the darkest planet ever discovered. This gas giant, slightly larger than Jupiter, reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it, making it blacker than coal, asphalt, or even the darkest acrylic paint. Imagine a world so dark that if you were standing on its surface, you wouldn't even be able to see your hand in front of your face. The reason for Tres 2b's extreme darkness remains a mystery. Some scientists speculate that its atmosphere could be filled with light-absorbing chemicals, while others believe that its surface could be covered in a strange, exotic material that absorbs light with incredible efficiency. Whatever the reason, Tres 2b stands as a stark reminder that the universe is full of shadows and secrets, places where even light fears to tread. Get ready for a sauna-like experience, cosmic explorers, as we venture to GJ 1214b, a planet that's essentially one giant, steamy water world. This super-Earth, about 2.7 times the size of our planet, is thought to be composed primarily of water, but not the kind we're used to. The intense heat and pressure on GJ 1214b create exotic forms of water, such as superfluid water and plasma water, that behave in ways that defy our everyday experience. Imagine a world shrouded in a thick, steamy atmosphere where the oceans are hot enough to boil rock. The surface of GJ 1214b would be a turbulent cauldron of swirling clouds and vapor, punctuated by occasional glimpses of the planet's hot, liquid interior. While it's unlikely that life as we know it could survive on such a hostile world, GJ 1214b serves as a reminder that water, the essential ingredient for life as we know it, can exist in forms far more bizarre than we ever imagined. Hold on tight, fellow travelers, because we're about to encounter a true cosmic rebel, HD 106906b, a rogue planet that roams the galaxy alone, unbound to any star. This massive planet, about 11 times the mass of Jupiter, was spotted drifting through space at a distance of 300 light-years from Earth. Imagine a planet hurtling through the vast emptiness of space, its surface illuminated only by the faint glow of distant stars. HD 106906b was likely ejected from its own solar system billions of years ago, perhaps after a close encounter with another massive planet. Now, it wanders the galaxy alone, a solitary sentinel in the cosmic wilderness. The discovery of rogue planets like HD 106906b has challenged our understanding of how solar systems form and evolve, reminding us that the universe is full of surprises. Prepare to journey back in time, space explorers, as we visit PSRB 162026b, a planet so old that it predates our solar system by billions of years. This ancient gas giant, about 2.5 times the mass of Jupiter, orbits a bizarre stellar pair, a rapidly spinning neutron star known as a pulsar, and a white dwarf, the remnant of a sun-like star. Imagine a planet that has witnessed the birth and death of stars, the formation and evolution of galaxies. PSRB 162026b, nicknamed Methuselah after the oldest person in the Bible, formed a mere billion years after the Big Bang, when the universe was still in its infancy. This ancient world has survived countless cosmic events, from supernova explosions to galactic collisions. The discovery of PSRB 162026b has revolutionized our understanding of planet formation, demonstrating that planets can form in environments far more extreme than we ever imagined. Thanks for joining me on this whirlwind tour of the cosmos. We've journeyed to distant stars, encountered alien worlds, and glimpsed the infinite possibilities that await us out there in the great unknown. Remember, every planet, every star, every galaxy holds a story, a tale of cosmic creation and evolution that stretches back to the very beginning of time. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, let your imagination run wild. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing space content. Subscribe to Space Fact Fusion for your next adventure. See you next time.